Tower Scout 3162, 10 out, Scout 3162, Los Angeles Tower, received by Super Airbus, caution like turbulence, jump hold, more approach arrival, runway 24 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 24 left, Scout 31. Scout 3755, Los Angeles Tower, traffic's on the 900 mile phone, running 24 left, line up and wait.
24 left, line up and wait, SkyWest 3755.
Beautiful landing on 24 left.
Delta 452 Super, turn left on Alpha Alpha, taxi south on Alpha Alpha, hold short of Charlie.
Delta 452 Super, left Alpha Alpha, south on Alpha Alpha, hold short of Charlie.
Delta 452 Heavy at the bridge, contact ground point 75.
And on the bridge 2175, Delta 452.
Hey.
You know, there were times in the last 3 years we thought this day would never happen. Lufthansa, remember, Lufthansa said they were never going to bring back the A380s. And here he is, back in LA once again.
3755, RNAV Del Rey, 124.014, gust 22, running 24 left, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Del Rey, 24 left, clear for takeoff, SkyWest 3755.
Lufthansa 453 Heavy, 125.010, RNAV Del Rey, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff, traffic 4 miles line. 1 Delta 50, traffic helicopter departing Signature southbound. Helicopter 4, 6 XO X-ray, traffic 3 miles south of LA, the helicopter inbound to Signature.
Like Tower Delta 291 Heavy, visual, or, yeah, visual 24 left.
Do it, roger. 6 XO X-ray has you inside. 6 XO X-ray,
All right,
contact on
got a little turn and burn action. Lufthansa now heading back to Munich. Welcome back to LA.
Delta 291 Heavy.
1 Delta 2 landing at 6 Rope Field, rescue caution, wind 24010. Lufthansa 453 Heavy, I'm sorry, Lufthansa 453 Super, contact Stoke out of Bar today.
Lufthansa 453 Super, Stoke out of Bar to the right.
Right.
Oh yeah, that's a super all right. It's been so long. Yeah. All right, making that bang to the left.
Sky 3765, left turn echo ground 165 today.
Echo to ground, Sky 3765.